Namaste yogis, I'm Adi Shakti and this is Behind the Asana. We are going to talk today about Bhramaree Pranayama. So pranayama is the control of the vital life force energy or control of the breath, most oftenly talked about. And Bhramaree is one of those breathing practices that we do to find more peace and stillness in our life through yoga. So the Bhramaree Pranayama is often called the honeybee breath. And it uses the end of the vibration Om. So Om is the universal vibration. It is what the astronauts hear when they leave this earth. It is the sound of all sounds. It contains everything. It is the oneness, the vibration of everything harmonizing at once is this Om. And so sometimes we get distracted with other parts of the vibration. We become disoriented in our relationships or in our working life or whatever it is that's happening in our life that may be making us feel disconnected or out of line with that universal vibration that we all share. And so the purpose of the Om is to realign our bodies, to realign our brains, and to create more harmony in our thought waves, and that then transfers into our physical body. And the vibration is very real in our physical body. It vibrates our cells, and we find more and more peace realigning with that universal vibration. And so the Bhramaree Pranayama is just using the end of that as a practice that we can do throughout the asana practice, the physical practice of yoga, or we can just do it seated, and it will really start to support you in finding more harmony if you need it. And so I just want to teach it to you. So just get nice and long in the spine, allow the shoulders to rock back, allow the heart to open, and be comfortable. You can be on a chair, you can be on the floor if you'd like. We'll exhale together completely. Exhale, 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 all the way to your toes. Exhale, even more empty, empty, empty. Exhale, exhale, exhale. And then inhale, fill up completely. And together we'll hum. Inhale. This time close your ears. Inhale. And slowly allow your eyes to open. And be a yoga rishi, be a yoga scientist. How does that practice make you feel? And thank you for taking the time to study Bhramaree Pranayama. I'm Adi Shakti. This is Behind the Asana. Please like, share, comment. We'll see you next time. Namaste.